Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on CompanyCam and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should end to know whether or not this contractor app is worth it for you. CompanyCam's core strength lies in its intuitive photo-centric approach to job site documentation, offering unlimited cloud storage for geotagged and timestamped photos and videos. This ensures every detail is securely recorded and instantly accessible to the entire team, fostering real-time collaboration through in-app comments and mentions. Features like annotations, customizable reports, and before and after views significantly enhance communication and accountability, reducing miscommunication and protecting against liabilities. Furthermore, its integrations with popular construction softwares like Job Nimbus and Service Titan streamlines workflows, making it a powerful tool for visual project management. While CompanyCam provides substantial benefits, potential considerations for users include its pricing model, which is structured with a minimum of 3 users for its base plan, potentially posing a higher initial cost for very small teams or individual contractors. Some users have given feedback such as occasional pointed sorry. Some user feedback has occasionally pointed out minor app performance issues like crashes or challenges with subscription management. Although its features are extensive, the breadth of its all-in-one claim might lead to some functionalities being less developed than dedicated solutions for specific tasks like complex estimating depending on the user's exact needs. Company Cam is ideally suited for a wide range of contractors across various trades, including general contractors, roofers, remodelers, and field service professionals, regardless of a company's size. It's particularly valuable for teams that rely heavily on visual documentation for project progress tracking, client communication, and liability protection. Businesses looking to centralize their job site photos, improve team collaboration, and streamline reporting will find CompanyCam an effective solution for enhancing operational efficiency and transparency. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.